So we're just going to jump right in here. As you can see, we got these black bones here, and this is due to just kind of leaving the skeleton out too long processing. And there's just one really simple way to get rid of this. And all you're going to need to do is go buy some 3% hydrogen peroxide. And all we're just going to do, we're just going to open that up and we're going to pour it right on. And watch the skull here. As you can see, all that black is just immediately coming right off. Now, as you can see, these bones aren't going to immediately be pearly white. That obviously takes a little bit of soaking, but if you find bones like this, I've seen people throw them away because they don't think they can get clean. If it doesn't come off whenever the bones dry or when you wash them, hydrogen peroxide will do the trick. Normally, whenever bones come out, they're actually a solid black. Mine were a little bit more of a gray because I let them dry, and some of the black stuff just naturally came off as it dried. But as you can see, this hydrogen peroxide has taken off all of the rest, and everything that hasn't been in the peroxide, which I'm going to go grab my second bottle here, is still black. So what we're going to do, we're just going to cover the rest up. If you can't fully submerge all of your bones for some reason, you can always just kind of flip them over and get all the black stuff off. But I recommend getting a container that you can fully submerge everything, and don't be afraid to use a little too much peroxide because you just want to make sure everything is 100% covered, or else you're going to have uneven whitening and maybe some black spots, kind of like that one. It just wants to stick up. And be sure whenever you're sticking your fingers in peroxide that you immediately wash it off, because it can whiten your skin and cause some minor irritation if left on too long. But yeah, this is just a super quick way to get that black film off of your bones. And as you can see, some spots are a little harder to get off, but in time it will come off. So yeah, just don't throw those bones out if they turn black. Just give them a quick peroxide bath and you'll be all good to go. This is Ivana from The Weight of Nature, and I hope this helped you out in your bone processing adventures.